Hello people of YouTube, it's me, LLC3445. You normally think that I would be doing my game review right here. Well, I'll be doing my first Gundam manga review. I'll be doing Beginning Gundam from the Model Suit Gunpla Builders series. Well, I say this Gundam really reminds me of the original. The original Gundam, because the V-Van right there and the whole color scheme, but this one's different. This one is kind of like I'm pretty sure this Gundam is exactly related to the Granddaddy Gundam, RX-78. And this Gundam, it's kind of really interesting. The arms move it to a full 90. I'm pretty sure it's only a 90, not 180. The legs goes up exactly about 180. The ankles move side to side, but also you can move your ankle, move the Gundam's ankle, move it this way. There's no ankle parts right here, but except there's just right there. The head moves. The side skirts can move separately. The legs just went to just full splits. And this Gundam is really unique. I have to say, the color schemes are exactly just plain old Gundam colors: yellow, blue, red, and all white, except the clear yellow on the V-fin. And the one thing that really wins me over is the clear yellow V-fin right there. That's a really good thing. This beam saber is really unique. It kind of reminds me of the Exia's and 00 Gundam's beam saber, which is kind of reminds me of that. Almost similar. Has small fist. This is a closed fist for the left. This one's the open fist for the beam saber. Alright. Seems like kind of cool. And then you can swap them out, like so. Now for the weapons is the beam rifle. So I can put the closed fist right there. The one thing that's really unique about the beam rifle right there is so really unique though, because it doesn't have the scope. It kind of reminds me of the submachine gun thing or type of situation like this. And this just same thing, just like I would be rifle right there. And we got a shield right there. Looks kind of like the X's blade shield right there, kind of similar. There's a peg right there, and there's an extra set of beam sabers right there, which gives it a total of not just 3, but 9 beam sabers. Wow. And it goes to the shoulder right here. And it goes to the elbow right here. That's really good. And also you can do poses like this. If you don't want to cripple your mobile suit's arm, just do this. Just bend the arm forward like this. Just do it like this. I think it's a really cool, neat feature. This Gundam is really unique. And now, the beam saber color is exactly this much. This is a gold. It kind of looks like a gold beam saber, though. If you put on this part right here, steady, huh? And now wing part right here is the famous beam saber Wolverine thing right there. And this one's so unique. At the hand right there, you can choose to paint it or not. So I choose not to. You can do a lot of poses while doing this, like this. The shield is almost kind of loose though. How about that? Now that's a cool looking pose. And also it still has the ability to go up to a stand. Just see that peg right there? So you just see a circle part right there on the crotch. So you just plug it in. So just plug it in. There you go. Aerial poses. Now that's a cool looking Gundam right there. If it does the Wolverine thing. This Gundam is pretty much, it's exactly similar to the Granddaddy Gundam. And this Gundam is really good. And my camera's battery is going to be almost running out, so this Gundam is exactly a solid fit. Basically, including the one thing that really wins me over is the gold, clear, yellow beam sabers and a hand too. If you choose to paint the hand right there, I choose not to. But again, by the way, so this is almost up though my camera is going to be out of battery. So thanks again. Comment or message me out. This is Upmost 25345 and this is out.